So here's our little make and take project for tonight, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make this little book. Okay, ready for pictures and ready to go. But I'm going to start backwards. The instructions say to cut the 2x12 craft to 2x8. Do not glue the belly band together size-wise around it until you have photos and anything else you're going to add to this, because it's going to make it thicker and it might not fit back in there. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so see, if I had pictures, if I had 8 or 9 pictures in there, that's going to be too tight. So wait to put that on until you're completely finished. Okay? All right, let me show you how easy it is. You take 2 4x12s and you fold them in half. Okay, and I usually take the closed handle of my scissors to get a better fold, and then you fold each flat back. Scissors to crease it good. Y'all can get out your fancy tools and your bone folders and all of that, but you don't need to spend money on extra tools. Scissors will do it. Second one, exactly the same way. Boom, boom, boom. Look how easy. And they are zigzagged at that point for you. And then you want to do adhesive on one panel, and you want to leave them standing and point the edge of the second one with adhesive on it into the fold of the other one, and then flatten them out together. If you do it this way, then they're flat here, which makes them flat on top. If you put adhesive here and then try to line it up, inevitably something is going to be crooked. Let the table do the work for you. Point it into the fold, and that's all you have to do. Then the only cut you had to make was, this was a 4x6 that we cut in half. You can use this side or the polka dot side. Okay, and I added the flashcards, and it's ready for photos and good to go. How great is that? I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little make and take featuring our storylines. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the slide mount. Okay, so you have your little slide in there, and you have the vellum quotes. So I used my story, but we also gave you 2020. So all you do is trim this out, okay? And then in your slide mount, adhesive goes around the edges in here, and then this goes inside and it folds shut in there. That's how you don't have to worry about adhesive showing through your vellum. Quick and easy.